Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. It's the 21st of September 2020. Hope you all had a good weekend. The EU market started on the wrong foot. The market's all falling 3% in UK and across Germany and France. Companies like airlines, carnivals, hospitality, movie cinemas are all falling really rapidly. They're falling as low as when they were back in the height of the COVID in May and April. And now we're on the support floor. We are waiting for two things to see whether it's going to bounce up or recover sideways or break through the floor and get even worse. Two things is imminent here. How long will the lockdown be? How many more jobs will be lost? How many more companies will bankrupt towards going Christmas? Second is how much more incentive, government support on employment to the people in UK and also Europe, and also how the company will cope with higher rates of bankruptcy of these high profile company names, industrials, travels. This is very concerning. But how about investors? Is this an opportunity for investors? I would say be careful. Just be careful. I mean, if you've got spare money to spend, that you're willing to take this risk, go ahead. But then if your portfolio is defensive, holding loads of pandemic-proof stocks like GSK, Unilever, all this defensive sector with their food, then you should be fine because those should still be paying out dividends to keep you holding. But other areas of avenue you need to watch because it might still fall because the support floor is a bit rocky now. So wait for it to break. If it breaks, then monitor it and see when you buy. If you see a bounce up, then buy on momentum. I wouldn't suggest anybody to be buying now. I personally wouldn't be buying now. I wouldn't be selling either. I would just be sitting to see whether it breaks the floor for more opportunities, very hard opportunities, or bounce back and buying on momentum. That's how I would invest in this very vivid era. And now for the US. In the US market, it's also rippling across where we're falling at least 2% just now. Now we will be on the third week of the fall, the third week of September, going into more drastic fall measures. But at this fall rate, we're not sure whether we're going to see work from home stock or technology stock bounce up. We're not sure. I think the sentiment is sell. So for those who are willing to start buying this week, maybe you should wait and watch what the government will be doing, the incentives, the support, the stimulus packages, people going jobless, unemployment, because remember there is a 2 to 3 weeks delay for this COVID virus spread between the EU and also US, and things change accordingly. So be careful what you watch. And the next thing is TikTok's back. So Oracle, Walmart, TikTok, no ban on Sunday. It's all Disney drama, and now we are back on a deal with Oracle, Fastly, Walmart. All should be on a positive sentiment after this TikTok. That case is closed. And the next one, Nikola. Nikola stocks are in hot waters. Their very popular Trevor Milton, CEO, has just resigned from his position. So he's got no calling power. The very charismatic fella has been accused of being fraud, accused of trying to hide the technology where they were not at in the first place. So that is a huge problem. And now Nikola's away, so I don't think it's as popular as when it was when it combined its company. So what should we be watching out for then? The only thing in the UK stock, back to UK, the only thing in the UK stock that is still staying strong is three sectors I can think of. Ocado with the online deliveries, stockbroking business, HL plus 500, and IG business. I think they should be doing well, even though the COVID-19 is rising. More people will be trading through this volatility. They'll be going up. And then delivery business like Just Eat, Takeaway, Uber Eats, those companies should be doing well because with people locking down, people not allowed to go out. I think restaurants should still be open for deliveries because the coronavirus is not as when they were back in May. So this is me on the opening bell. I wish I had more positive words to share. I wish I had more positive news, but this is where we are. So stay safe, everyone. Stay indoors. Put your mask on when you go out, and hopefully this dies away. But there's something we cannot control. The only thing you can control is your portfolio. Try to de-risk as much as possible. Do not play with fire when you don't have enough protective measure. Do not go into too much risk. Remember, diversified portfolio, guys. Okay, so this is me, and hopefully catch you later in the closing bell tonight. See you soon. Bye.